Meaning of double dealer.
Double dealer.
Double dealer.
Double dealer.
Double dealer. A double dealer is someone who deliberately deceives or betrays others while pretending to be their friend or ally. This type of person can cause great harm and damage to individuals and groups, as they are often skilled at gaining trust and manipulating situations to their advantage. Double dealers may also be referred to as two-faced or deceitful, and their actions can result in broken friendships, ruined reputations, and other negative consequences. It is important to be aware of such individuals and to avoid trusting them in order to protect oneself and one's interests.